I absolutely love music, and because of that love for music, I've always dreamed of building my own hi-fi setup, and so I bought this. Now, a good way to do this, I think, is go on Facebook Marketplace, find an old surround sound system or something if you're just getting started with your hi-fi setup. This, I was helping a friend clean out an old barn, and they just had this sitting up in their loft, and we're like, yeah, you can have it. So we've got speakers, we've got amp, and we've got the stand as well. Now, technically, this is an old TV setup, an old TV sound system, but I think it's going to sound really good. I'm excited to get everything set up today and see how this thing sounds. Again, don't know much about it, but I'm excited to learn about it. And also, I don't know if any of this equipment works, so that'll be interesting to find out as well, see if we need to replace any parts here. And I think this could be potentially a good sound system to build upon and upgrade over time, which is going to be really, really cool. If I want to add, a subwoofer or two or more speakers, whatever, I can upgrade it over time and swap things out. So this is a great starting point. Like I said, before we get into the setup, I need to clean these things up because they're pretty nasty. They've been sitting in a old barn loft for I don't know how many years now. So with everything cleaned up, I can finally start moving it into the room. And I think right here is going to be the perfect spot next to my shelf. Yeah, so I'm going to be finally moving everything in here. So I got everything in. It's very large. I'm probably going to want to swap out the stand for something a little more classy in the future, but for now it'll work to get set up. It's very solid, so I can't complain about that. Got lots of storage space, and it's going to be perfect for getting started here. All right, so very nice glass door. I'm going to pop this open, and I got to run all my wiring. Thankfully, everything's already plugged in. I'm actually going to double check which channels they have plugged in here. So it looks like they just got it plugged into the front left and right of the front speaker output. Easy enough. Just gonna have to make sure that I match that same thing for left and right speakers here. Gotta try to get everything through the back and try to keep these again organized for which side they go to. I just have them swapped around here. Okay. So this is right speaker, this is left speaker. I'm gonna run the right speaker through first. Might as well plug them in right away so I don't lose which is which here. And last but not least, the power cord. And I should be able to plug it into this outlet right back here. Perfect. Now, I want to plug an audio input into this thing and see if the setup even works, and if it does, how it sounds. All right, so here's kind of what I've got so far. I've got a huge mess on the floor because I was trying to find some cables, but this is, I want you to know, a very temporary setup. So basically what I've got here is this little box, which is an HDMI to RCA adapter. So I've got the audio side of the RCA cable plugged into the video port on the front side of the receiver. That runs into this little box, and then from the little box, I am running an HDMI cord for audio. Now, like I said, this is a very temporary setup. I did try to originally use, just to get this thing up and running, this little Bluetooth adapter, but that little cheap thing didn't really work, so this is what we're running with. Now, I absolutely love this old receiver. It's got this really cool old analog display. And like every time you click something or whatever, you can actually hear the parts in there clicking around and stuff. It's so cool, and the speakers are absolutely massive. And let me tell you, these things sound incredible. Like I said, with my temporary audio setup, I'm actually getting pretty decent sound out of it. These things get insanely loud, like room-shaking loud. They've got bass. From the research I've done, these things were built somewhere in the 80s to the 90s. So nice, just they sound so crisp. I'm going to play a little bit of sample audio for you guys. Oh, I absolutely know that the audio over the microphone on my camera isn't going to do this sound system justice, but it's just good in every single way. It's got nice, clean low end, it's got beautiful, clean mids, it's got clean highs. One thing, I think, it's got a little bit, it's a little bit sharp on the highs, but that's something that can all be tuned out on the EQ. This receiver down here has a built-in EQ, which I've customized a little bit. As you can see, I've turned the high end way down, the high frequency way down, just because it's so sharp. And with the way I have that EQ set up right now, it's like perfect. It's perfectly balanced. It's absolutely wonderful. I absolutely love these speakers and this whole sound system. Again, want to upgrade the bass here maybe, and obviously clean up the audio input situation. Let me know what you guys do for your audio input. Kind of something along the lines of what I was thinking is, I know Spotify has lossless audio now. Maybe getting a tablet of some sort to just run Spotify and just be dedicated to being hooked up to this sound system, because obviously this HDMI setup here is temporary. Yeah, so let me know if you guys have a hi-fi audio system at your house. Let me know what kind of input you're running into that thing, and tell me about it. Tell me what kind of speakers you're running, what kind of amps you're running. I'm interested to start a conversation and learn more about it, and I think this is a fantastic starting point, and I'm super excited to bring you guys along with my hi-fi audio journey. In the upgrades I make and things like that. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully you learned something. Hopefully you guys, I think this is a great starting position, just finding some used speakers on Marketplace or something, or some of your friends like I did. So if you guys have any questions or feedback about this setup or your setup, feel free to leave it down in the comments section below. While you're down there, you might as well like and subscribe as well if you want to see more content like this. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Also, real quick side note, you may have noticed that my setup has changed. So I got the whole bed set up over here now. Pretty cool. Don't mind the messy bed. Anyway, and then this over here is has kind of become the tech lab side. So this is the whole tech lab over here. Pretty cool. And yeah, just wanted to give you guys an update. I think having the blank wall is going to give me a lot more versatility for where I want to go with my whole setup, this YouTube channel, and things like that. So just a little side note there.